So my next recipe from David Woodfine's book is Quiche Lorraine. It's a dish I can't say I've really made, but I do like a bit of quiche. So I've made my short crust pastry with my flour, my butter, my lard, and I've added an egg yolk and some water. And I'll post this up and give you the ingredients with the post. Now in my pan I've fried off some bacon, nice and crispy. Proper rolling pin. Only one handle, bless. So you roll your pastry up. Now I've greased a little flan dish and put my pastry in. Now, as you know, I'm not very good at culinary skills, but we'll have a go. So there's my pastry, flan dish. I'll cut the edges off with a sharp knife. Now what I tend to do with any leftover pastry, I'll put it in a little cupcake paper case, roll up a bit of jam in it and shove it in the oven so you have a nice little jam tart as well, so you're not wasting anything. So here's my bacon that I've fried. I'll put that in the bottom of my pied flan dish. So I've heated up some milk with some garlic. Got one egg with salt and pepper. And we're going to whisk that up. Add this to my pastry case. I'm going to sprinkle this with cheese. So there's my Quiche Lorraine ready to go in the oven. We'll put it in at 180 and we'll cook it till the egg's firmed up and the crust is nice and golden brown. Ooh, I'm looking forward to this. So my Quiche Lorraine has had about 25 minutes in the oven. It's nice and firm on top with a nice crunchy crust around the top. I've served up mine with some chopped tomato, cucumber, spring onion and sweet chilli sauce dribbled over the top. Looking forward to this.